footsteps. I'll dive. Come on, take a picture over here where it's so deep.
What are you guys doing? What are you doing?
Going over here.
Where's the football?
Right here.
Throw the football. Let's see who can catch it.
You ready?
Wow, what a dive! Who did that?
I did. Now you talk to me.
Hey, that was cheating. Who? Hey, what's your name, son?
I'm a boy.
I didn't see your face. What's your name?
Edna.
Oh, I never heard of you. JoJo? You want to say hi?
Hi,
Okay, I'll say I take a dive now, even though I'm going to hit my hand. My hands are going to get frozen, and I want to also take their old picture. And Daddy goes out for a pass. He's got to go. Whoa! My... How you doing? Come here, Eddie. I need to see you. Come here, hurry up. Hurry up. How you doing? Is your name Edward? Nice to meet you. Oh! Oh. You okay? Hello. Whoa! Oh, I didn't mean to. Anybody think they could tackle me? Set, go! Oh, I didn't say hit, I said tackle. Oh, I got one on me. Oh, he's going. Oh, he runs him over. Who could take me? Oh, they're both pushing me. You get on this side. Oh! Oh! Man, what's your name?
Monkey Mo.
Monkey Mo? Okay.
JoJo.
Help me up. Help me up.
Hi.
Ew.
Are you cold?
No.
Are you sure? Are you cold, Eddie?
Yeah. No.
Hey, cutie pie.
Die.
Alright, Mommy, did you already dive in?
No.
Okay, we'll let you dive in. Set. Here's the ball. Set. Go! Whoa! What a play! We're on a level 3 emergency. It's 2008. This is officially a blizzard. Sunday, or actually this is Saturday, March 9th, 2008. And it's officially a blizzard in Mount Gilead, Ohio. All over Columbus it's a blizzard. It's over a foot. Snow. Level 3. Nobody can ride out. Here's a lake. Oh, that's right. It doesn't look like a lake when it's snow covered. Cars. Whew. This is the house.